Question 12, translate this 2D shape by a vector of 6, 2. Now, what we need to realize here is that when you translate a shape, it basically means to slide the shape. And we are sliding the shape across the grid, left or right, up or down. Now, the question is, how do we know whether to go to the left or the right? And how do we know where we're going up or whether we're going down? And all that information is contained within the vector. A vector is just a set of instructions, two numbers, one on top of the other, inside a pair of brackets. The top number is the left or right number, and the bottom number is the up or down number. But how do you know which way round it is? So, if we focus on the top number first, in the same way a number line to the left of 0 is negative and to the right of 0 is positive. So negative numbers go to the left, positive numbers go to the right. This 6 it hasn't got a negative in front of it, so it can't be negative 6, or it can't be 6 to the left. If there's no symbol in front of it and there's no symbol here, it's automatically a positive. It's like an invisible positive sign there. You can never have an invisible negative sign. If it is negative, it's got to have a negative symbol. But you can have an invisible positive sign. So no symbol means it's got to be positive. So we're basically going 6 to the right. That's what we're doing, 6 to the right. And then the bottom number is up or down. And if you're feeling in a positive mood, your mood is quite uplifting. So positive is up. If you're feeling in a negative mood, you're feeling quite down. So negative is quite down. Now this 2, same again. This 2 has no symbol in front of it. So it's like a positive 2. It's like an invisible positive 2. So that 2 is positive 2, and positive 2 is 2 up. So we've got to go 2 up, 6 to the right, and 2 up. So all we do now is we pick a corner, let's say this corner, and we do that. We go 6 squares to the right, 2 squares up. So 6 to the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, 6 squares to the right, and 2 up, 1, 2. So this corner here moves over to here. Now, you could do exactly the same with all the other corners, or you could just, as long as you're happy that that first corner is in the right place, you could just draw the shape now. So you've got to go 5 squares down, 2 in, 4 back up, 1 in, 1 up, 1 across. So from this corner, we're going to go 5 down. There we go, 5 down, 2 squares to the left, 4 squares up, 1 back in, 1 up, and 1 across. And there you've got your newly redrawn shape. Now, we did the top right corner, but we could just pick another pair of corners, corresponding corners, to double check that it's done the same instructions. So let's say we pick the bottom right corner. This is the bottom right corner, the new shape. This corner should also have gone 6 right and 2 up to get to here. So let's just double check. So 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, 5 right, 6 right, and 1 up, 2 up. So that corner works as well. And we'll pick one more corner just for good measure. Maybe we'll pick this one here, which corresponds to this one. So 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 squares right, 5 squares right, 6 squares right, and 1 square up, 2 squares up. So that also works. So we've basically correctly done translated the shape by a vector of 6 to the right and 2 up.